little stars? Are you ready to learn the ABCs with me? Let's go on an alphabet adventure. Do you know what alphabets are? Alphabets are letters we use to make words. Let's learn them together, from A to Z. A is for apple, red and sweet. B is for ball, bouncing on your feet. C is for cat, who purrs all day. D is for dog, who loves to play. E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for fish, swimming along. G is for goat, with a funny bleat. H is for horse, running fast and free. I is for ice cream, cold and nice. J is for jelly, soft and sweet. K is for kite, flying high. L is for lion, with a mighty roar. M is for monkey, swinging in the tree. N is for nest, where birds rest. O is for owl, who hoots at night. P is for pig, rolling in the mud. Q is for queen, with a royal crown. R is for rainbow, colors all around. S is for star, shining bright. T is for train, it goes chug, chug. U is for umbrella, for rainy days. V is for violin, with strings to play. W is for whale, in the sea so blue. X is for xylophone, it makes music. Y is for yak, with a shaggy coat. Z is for zebra, with black and white stripes. Great job! Now let's quickly remember what we learned. A is for apple. B is for ball. C is for cat. D is for dog. E is for elephant. F is for fish. G is for goat. H is for horse. I is for ice cream. J is for jelly. K is for kite. L is for lion. M is for monkey. N is for nest. O is for owl. P is for pig. Q is for queen. R is for rainbow. S is for star. T is for train. U is for umbrella. V is for violin. W is for whale. X is for xylophone. Y is for yak. Z is for zebra. You're amazing! You learned the whole alphabet with fun words. Give yourself a big clap. You're an ABC star. Don't forget to come back and learn with me again.